So Laurel, oops, hang on, I gotta move my hand. This is your new sister Ruth. Ruth, say hi to Laurel. Ruth is a Rhode Island Red little girl that we just picked up a week ago. She's got two sisters. We haven't named them yet. She's a very cute little chicken. She's the first one that ate the food out of my hands. She's messy, just like you. Here you go, Ruth. So this is Ruth. This one right here. Hey, Ruth. Come on, step up. There you go. Here, stand here. Get a close-up for Laurel. No, I'm showing her my butt. Oh, you picking out my fingers? Do I get dirt under my fingernails, huh? You need more? All right, here you go. You're a pig. Here you go. Like, no, that's mine. You can't have it. So there's the three girls. Ruth has got the most red on her head, which is why I picked her to name Ruth. And she's the friendliest. Hey, can I get up on my... That's my shoe. No? Alright. There's some of the little baby chicks with the mama. There's another one. There's Ruth again by my shoe. Ruth, what you doing? Gotta come up with names for the other two. Alright, gotta go in. It's gonna start raining soon.